right, so we're gonna go over a rolling arm bar. So in this case, we're gonna need some sort of weight, whether it be a kettlebell or a dumbbell. It's a lot like the rolling exercise, except now the arm is not gonna go with us. It's gonna go straight up in the air. So it looks a little bit like this. So we're gonna take the weight. Kettlebells are nice because we can keep the weight sort of on this part of our hand and have it come across, but we wanna try to keep it heavy right there, okay? So what you're gonna do, start on the ground, leg bent with the side that has the weight. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start reaching up towards the ceiling without shrugging. Reach, reach, reach until you start to feel yourself get heavy on the opposite side. Then you're gonna push through that leg. Push, push, push. You're gonna feel the weight start to move towards your toe, your big toe, and you swing through, staying heavy on that bottom hip. And then you're gonna sort of fall back to the starting point. You're gonna do it again. Reach, reach, reach. Push. Let me know if you have any questions.